Oakland, California. Oakland is the largest city and the county seat of Alameda County, California, United States. A major West Coast port city, Oakland is the largest city in the East Bay region of the San Francisco Bay Area, the third largest city overall in the San Francisco Bay Area, the eighth most populated city in California, and the 45th largest city in the United States. With a population of 432,897 as of 2019, it serves as a trade center for the San Francisco Bay Area. Its port of Oakland is the busiest port in the San Francisco Bay, the entirety of Northern California, and the fifth busiest in the United States of America. An act to incorporate the city was passed on May 4, 1852, and incorporation was later approved on March 25, 1854, which officially made Oakland a city. Oakland is a charter city. Oakland's territory covers what was once a mosaic of California coastal terrace prairie, oak woodland, and north coastal scrub. Its land served as a rich resource when its hillside oak and redwood timber were logged to build San Francisco. Oakland's fertile flatland soils helped it become a prolific agricultural region. In the late 1860s, Oakland was selected as the western terminal of the Transcontinental Railroad. Following the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, many San Francisco citizens moved to Oakland, enlarging the city's population, increasing its housing stock and improving its infrastructure. It continued to grow in the 20th century with its busy port, shipyards, and a thriving automobile manufacturing industry. History. Pre-incorporation. The earliest known inhabitants were the Huckyoon Indians, who lived there for thousands of years. The Huckyoon belonged to a linguistic grouping later called the Ohlone, a Miwok word meaning Western people. In Oakland, they were concentrated around Lake Merritt and Temescal Creek, a stream that enters the San Francisco Bay at Emeryville. In 1772, the area that later became Oakland was colonized, with the rest of California, by Spanish settlers for the King of Spain. In the early 19th century, the Spanish crown granted the East Bay area to Luis Maria Peralta for his Rancho San Antonio. The grant was confirmed by the successor Mexican Republic upon its independence from Spain. Upon his death in 1842, Peralta divided his land among his 4 sons. Most of Oakland fell within the shares given to Antonio Maria and Vicente. The portion of the parcel that is now Oakland was called Encina Spanish for Oak Grove due to the large oak forest that covered the area, which eventually led to the city's name. Development of Chinatown. During the 1850s, just as gold was discovered in California, Oakland started growing and developing because land was becoming too expensive in San Francisco. The Chinese were struggling financially, as a result of the First Opium War, the Second Opium War, and the Taiping Rebellion, so they began migrating to Oakland in an effort to provide for their families in China. However, the Chinese struggled to settle because they were discriminated against by the white community and their living quarters were burned down on several occasions. The majority of the Chinese migrants lived in unhealthy conditions in China and they often had diseases, so plague spread into San Francisco even though the Chinese were thoroughly inspected for diseases upon their arrival to San Francisco. City beginnings. In 1851, 3 men, Horace Carpentier, Edson Adams, and Andrew Moon, began developing what is now downtown Oakland. In 1852, the town of Oakland became incorporated by the state legislature. During this time, Oakland had 75 to 100 inhabitants, 2 hotels, a wharf, 2 warehouses, and only cattle trails. 2 years later, on March 25, 1854, Oakland reincorporated as the City of Oakland, with Horace Carpentier elected the first mayor, though a scandal ended his mayorship in less than a year. The city and its environs quickly grew with the railroads, becoming a major rail terminal in the late 1860s and 1870s. In 1868, the Central Pacific constructed the Oakland Long Wharf at Oakland Point, the site of today's Port of Oakland. A number of horsecar and cable car lines were constructed in Oakland during the latter half of the 19th century. The first electric streetcar set out from Oakland to Berkeley in 1891, and other lines were converted and added over the course of the 1890s. The various streetcar companies operating in Oakland were acquired by Francis Borax Smith and consolidated into what eventually became known as the Key System, the predecessor of today's publicly owned AC Transit. 1900–1950s. Plague epidemic. Oakland was one of the worst affected cities in California that was impacted by the plague epidemic. Quarantine measures were set in place at the Oakland ports, requiring the authorities at the port to inspect the arriving vessels for the presence of infected rats. Quarantine authorities at these ports inspected over 1,000 vessels per year for plague and yellow fever. By 1908, over 5,000 people were detained in quarantine. Hunters were sent to poison the affected areas in Oakland and shoot the squirrels, but the eradication work was limited in its range because the State Board of Health and the United States Public Health Service were only allotted about $60,000 a year to eradicate the disease. During this period, Oakland did not have sufficient health facilities, so some of the infected patients were treated at home. The State Board of Health along with Oakland also advised physicians to promptly report any cases of infected patients. Yet, in 1919 it still resulted in a small epidemic of pneumonic plague which killed a dozen people in Oakland. This started when a man went hunting in Contra Costa Valley and killed a squirrel. After eating the squirrel, he fell ill 4 days later and another household member contracted the plague. This in turn was passed on either directly or indirectly to about a dozen others. The officials in Oakland acted quickly by issuing death certificates to monitor the spread of plague. Incorporation. At the time of incorporation in 1852, Oakland had consisted of the territory that lay south of today's major intersection of San Pablo Avenue, Broadway, and 14th Street. The city gradually annexed farmlands and settlements to the east and the north. Oakland's rise to industrial prominence, and its subsequent need for a seaport, led to the digging of a shipping and tidal channel in 1902. This resulted in the nearby town of Alameda being made an island. In 1906, the city's population doubled with refugees made homeless after the 1906 San Francisco earthquake and fire. In 1908, lawyer, former miner, and newspaper owner Homer Wood, 1880–1976, suggested to his friend Frank Bilger of Blake and Bilger Rock Quarry and Paving Company that he organize a gathering to establish a Rotary Club east of the bay. On November 27, 1908, Homer took a ferry across the bay in a driving rainstorm and met for lunch with Frank and 23 other businessmen at the Hotel Metropole at 13th and Jefferson. This gathering became the first meeting of the Tri-City Rotary Club, renamed in 1911 the Rotary Club of Oakland, the third Rotary Club in the world. This group established the tradition of weekly meetings, something most clubs worldwide follow today. In 1916, General Motors opened an automobile factory in East Oakland called Oakland Assembly. It produced Chevrolet cars and then GMC trucks until 1963, when it was moved to Fremont in southern Alameda County. Also in 1916, the Fajol Motor Company chose East Oakland for their first factory, manufacturing farming tractors from 1918 to 1923. By 1920, Oakland was the home of numerous manufacturing industries, including metals, canneries, bakeries, internal combustion engines, automobiles, and shipbuilding. By 1929, when Chrysler expanded with a new plant there, Oakland had become known as the Detroit of the West, referring to the major auto manufacturing center in Michigan. Oakland expanded during the 1920s, as its population expanded with factory workers. Approximately 13,000 homes were built in the 3 years between 1921 and 1924, more than during the 13 years between 1907 and 1920. Many of the large downtown office buildings, apartment buildings, and single-family houses still standing in Oakland were built during the 1920s. They reflect the architectural styles of the time. Russell Clifford Durant established Durant Field at 82nd Avenue and East 14th Street in 1916. The first transcontinental airmail flight finished its journey at Durant Field on August 9, 1920, flown by Army Captain Eddie Rickenbacker and Navy Lieutenant Bert Acosta. Durant Field was often called Oakland Airport, though the current Oakland International Airport was soon established 4 miles, 6.4 kilometers, to the southwest. During World War II, the East Bay area was home to many war-related industries. Oakland's Moore Dry Dock Company expanded its shipbuilding capabilities and built over 100 ships. Valued at $100 million in 1943, Oakland's canning industry was its second most valuable war contribution after shipbuilding. The largest canneries were in the Fruitvale district, and included the Josiah Lusk Canning Company, the Oakland Preserving Company, which started the Del Monte brand, and the California Packing Company. President Franklin D. Roosevelt called on defense industries with government contracts to integrate their workforces and provide opportunities for all Americans. Tens of thousands of laborers came from around the country, especially poor whites and blacks from the Deep South, Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, South Carolina, and Texas, as well as Missouri and Tennessee. Henry J. Kaiser's representatives recruited sharecroppers and tenant farmers from rural areas to work in his shipyards. African Americans were part of the Great Migration, by which 5 million persons left the South, mostly for the West, from 1940 to 1970. White migrants from the Jim Crow South carried their racial attitudes, causing tensions to rise among black and white workers competing for the better-paying jobs in the Bay Area. The racial harmony Oakland blacks had been accustomed to prior to the war evaporated. Also migrating to the area during this time were many Mexican Americans from southwestern states such as New Mexico, Texas, and Colorado. Many worked for the Southern Pacific Railroad, at its major rail yard in West Oakland. Their young men encountered hostility and discrimination by armed forces personnel, and tensions broke out in Zoot Suit riots in downtown Oakland in 1943 in the wake of a major disturbance in Los Angeles that year. In 1946, National City Lines, NCL, a General Motors holding company, acquired 64% of key system stock. During the next several years, NCL engaged in the conspiratorial dissolution of Oakland's electric streetcar system. The city's expensive electric streetcar fleet was converted to the cheaper diesel buses. The state legislature created the Alameda and Contra Costa Transit District in 1955, which operates today as AC Transit, the third largest bus-only transit system in the nation. Soon after the war, as Oakland's shipbuilding industry declined and the automobile industry went through restructuring, many jobs were lost. Economic competition increased racial tension. In addition, labor unrest increased as workers struggled to protect their livelihoods. Oakland was the center of a general strike during the first week of December 1946, one of 6 cities across the country that had such a strike after World War II. 1960–1999. In 1960, Kaiser Corporation opened its new headquarters. It was the largest skyscraper in Oakland, as well as the largest office tower west of Chicago up to that time. In the post-war period, suburban development increased around Oakland, and wealthier residents moved to new housing. Despite the major increases in the number and proportion of African Americans in the city, in 1966 only 16 of the city's 661 police officers were black. Tensions between the black community and the largely white police force were high, as expectations during the civil rights era increased to gain social justice and equality before the law. Police abuse of blacks was common. Students Huey Newton and Bobby Seale founded the Black Panther Party at Merritt College in Oakland Hills neighborhood, which emphasized black power, advocated armed self-defense against police brutality, and was involved in several incidents that ended in the deaths of police officers and other Black Panther members. Among their social programs were feeding children and providing other services to the needy. During the 1970s, Oakland began to suffer serious violence and other problems related to gang-controlled dealing of heroin and cocaine when drug kingpin Felix Mitchell created the nation's first large-scale operation of this kind. Both violent crime and property crime increased during this period, and Oakland's murder rate rose to over twice that of San Francisco and New York. As in many other American cities during the 1980s, crack cocaine became a serious problem in Oakland. Drug dealing in general, and the dealing of crack cocaine in particular, resulted in elevated rates of violent crime, causing Oakland to consistently be listed as one of America's most crime-ridden cities. In 1980, Oakland's black population reached its 20th century peak at approximately 47% of the overall city population. The 6.9 MW Loma Prieta earthquake occurred on October 17, 1989. The rupture was related to the San Andreas Fault System and affected the entire San Francisco Bay Area with a maximum Mercalli intensity of 9, violent. Many structures in Oakland were badly damaged, including the double-decker portion of Interstate 880 that collapsed. The eastern span of the San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge also sustained damage and was closed to traffic for 1 month. On October 20, 1991, a massive firestorm swept down from the Berkeley/Oakland Hills above the Caldecott Tunnel. 25 people were killed, 150 people were injured, and nearly 4,000 homes destroyed. With the loss of life and an estimated economic loss of $1.5 billion, this was the worst urban firestorm in American history, until 2017. During the mid-1990s, Oakland's economy began to recover as it transitioned to new types of jobs. In addition, the city participated in large development and urban renewal projects, concentrated especially in the downtown area, at the Port of Oakland, and at the Oakland International Airport. 2000s. After his 1999 inauguration, Oakland Mayor Jerry Brown continued his predecessor Elihu Harris's public policy of supporting downtown housing development in the area defined as the Central Business District in Oakland's 1998 General Plan. Brown's plan and other redevelopment projects were controversial due to potential rent increases and gentrification, which would displace lower-income residents from downtown Oakland into outlying neighborhoods and cities. Due to allegations of misconduct by the Oakland Police Department, the City of Oakland has paid claims for a total of $57 million during the 2001-2011 timeframe to plaintiffs claiming police abuse. This is the largest sum paid by any city in California. On October 10, 2011, protesters and civic activists began Occupy Oakland demonstrations at Frank Ogawa Plaza in downtown Oakland. African Americans dropped to 28% of Oakland's population in 2010, from nearly half in 1980, due to fast rising rents and an extreme housing crisis in the region. Oakland is the second U.S. city, after Denver, to decriminalize psilocybin mushrooms. In June 2019, the City Council passed the resolution in a unanimous vote ending the investigation and imposition of criminal penalties for use and possession of natural entheogens. Geography. Oakland is in the eastern region of the San Francisco Bay. In 1991 the City Hall Tower was at 37°4819 and 122°1621 W/37.805302° and 122.272539° W/37.805302, -122.272539, NAD 83. The building still exists, but like the rest of the Bay Area, it has shifted northwest perhaps 0.6 meters in the last 20 years. The United States Census Bureau says the city's total area is 78.0 square miles, 202 square kilometers, including 55.8 square miles, 145 square kilometers, of land and 22.2 square miles, 57 square kilometers, 28.48%, of water. Oakland's highest point is near Grizzly Peak Boulevard, east of Berkeley, just over 1,760 feet, 540 m, above sea level at about 37°5243 and 122°1327 W/37.8786° and 122.2241° W/37.8786, -122.2241. Oakland has 19 miles, 31 kilometers, of shoreline, but Radio Beach is the only beach in Oakland. Oaklanders refer to their city's terrain as the Flatlands and the Hills. Until recent waves of gentrification, these terms also symbolized Oakland's deep economic divide, with the hills being more affluent communities. About two-thirds of Oakland lies in the flat plain of the East Bay, with one-third rising into the foothills and hills of the East Bay Range. Ruptures along the nearby San Andreas Fault caused severe earth movement in the San Francisco Bay Area in 1906 and 1989. San Andreas quakes induces creep, movement occurring on earthquake faults, in the Hayward Fault, which runs directly through Oakland, Berkeley, San Jose, and other Bay Area cities. Neighborhoods. Oakland has more than 50 distinct neighborhoods. The city's greater divisions include downtown Oakland and its greater central business district, Lake Merritt, East Oakland, North Oakland, West Oakland, and the Oakland Hills. East Oakland, which includes the East Oakland Hills, encompasses more than half of Oakland's land area, stretching from Lakeshore Avenue on the east shore of Lake Merritt southeast to the San Leandro border. North Oakland encompasses the neighborhoods between downtown and Berkeley and Emeryville. West Oakland is the area between downtown and the Bay, partially surrounded by the Oakland Point, and encompassing the Port of Oakland. In 2011, Oakland was ranked the 10th most walkable city in the United States. Lake Merritt, an urban estuary near downtown, is a mix of fresh and salt water draining in and out from the Oakland Harbor at the San Francisco Bay and one of Oakland's most notable features. It was designated the United States' first official wildlife refuge in 1870. Originally a marsh-lined wildlife haven, Lake Merritt was dredged and bordered with parks from the 1890s to the 1910s. Despite this reduction in habitat, Oakland is home to a number of rare and endangered species, many of which are localized to serpentine soils and bedrock. Lake Merritt is surrounded by residential and business districts, including downtown and Grand Lake. The city of Piedmont, incorporated in Oakland's central foothills after the 1906 earthquake, is a small independent city surrounded by the city of Oakland. Climate and vegetation. Oakland has a warm summer Mediterranean climate with an average of 260 sunny days per year. In general, the city features warm, dry summers, and mild, wet winters. Lake Merritt, a large estuary centrally located east of downtown, was announced as the United States' first official wildlife refuge. Based on data gathered by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, Oakland is ranked number 1 in climate among U.S. cities. Oakland's climate is typified by the temperate and seasonal Mediterranean climate. Summers are usually dry and warm and winters are mild and damp. It has features found in both nearby coastal cities such as San Francisco and inland cities such as San Jose, making it warmer than San Francisco and cooler than San Jose. Its position on San Francisco Bay across from the Bay Bridge means the northern part of the city can have cooling maritime fog. It is far enough inland that the fog often burns off by midday, allowing it to have typically sunny California days. The hills tend to have more fog than the flatlands, as the fog drifts down from Berkeley. The U.S. Weather Bureau kept weather records in downtown Oakland from October 4, 1894, to July 31, 1958. During that time, the record high temperature was 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, on June 24, 1957, and the record low temperature was 24 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees C, on January 23, 1949. Dry, warm offshore Diablo winds, similar to the Santa Ana winds of Southern California, sometimes occur, especially in fall, and raise the fire danger. In 1991, such an episode allowed the catastrophic Oakland Hills fire to spread and consume many homes. The wettest year was 1940 with 38.65 inches, 982 millimeters, and the driest year was 1910 with 12.02 inches, 305 millimeters. The most rainfall in one month was 15.35 inches, 390 millimeters, in January 1911. The most rainfall in 24 hours was 4.27 inches, 108 millimeters, on February 12, 1904. Rainfall near the bayfront is only 23 inches, 580 mm, but is higher in the Oakland Hills to the east, up to 30 inches. The higher rainfall in the hills supports woods of oak, madrona, pine, fir, and a few redwood groves in the wetter areas. Before being logged in the 19th century, some of the tallest redwood trees in California, used for navigation by ships entering the Golden Gate, may have stood in the Oakland Hills. One old stump 30 feet, 9.1 m, in diameter can be seen near Redwood Regional Park. Sunny, drier slopes are grassy or covered in scattered oaks and chaparral brush. Australian eucalyptus trees have been extensively planted in many areas, as they come from a similar climate. The National Weather Service today has two official weather stations in Oakland, Oakland International Airport and the Oakland Museum, established 1970. Demographics. Race and ethnicity. The 2010 United States Census reported Oakland had a population of 390,724. The population density was 5,009.2 inhabitants per square mile, 1,934.1/km2. The racial makeup of Oakland was 134,925, 34.5%. White, non-Hispanic white 25.9%, 129,471, 28.0%. African American, 3,040, 0.8%. Native American, 65,811, 16.8%. Asian, 8.7%. Chinese, 2.2%. Vietnamese, 1.6%. Filipino, 0.7%. Cambodian, 0.7%. Laotian, 0.6%. Korean, 0.5%. Japanese, 0.5%. Indian, 0.1%. Mongolian, 2,222, 0.6%. Pacific Islander, 0.3%. Tongan, 53,378, 13.7%, from other races, and 21,877, 5.6%, from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 99,068 persons, 25.4%, 18.1% of the population were of Mexican descent, 1.9% Salvadoran, 1.3% Guatemalan, and 0.7% Puerto Rican. Educational attainment and income. The Greater Oakland area has the fifth largest cluster of elite zip codes ranked by the number of households with the highest combination of income and education. 37.9% of residents over 25 years of age have bachelor's degree or higher. Oakland ranked among the top cities with residents with bachelor's degrees and graduate degrees per square mile. Oakland ranks in the top 20 of American cities in median household income, with a 2012 value of $51,863. In 2012, the median income for a household in the city was $51,863 and the median income for a family was $59,459. The mean income for a household was $77,888 and the mean income for a family was $90,948. Males had a median income of $50,140 versus $50,304 for females. The unemployment rate as of December 2013 was 9.7%. In 2007, approximately 15.3% of families and 17.0% of the general population were below the poverty line, including 27.9% of those under age 18 and 13.1% of those age 65 or over. 0.7% of the population is homeless. Home ownership is 41% and 14% of rental units are subsidized. As of the census of 2000, 19.4% of the population and 16.2% of families were below the poverty line. Out of the total population, 27.9% of those under the age of 18 and 13.1% of those 65 and older were living below the poverty line. Households. The census reported 382,586 people, 97.9% of the population lived in households, 5,675, 1.5%, lived in non-institutionalized group quarters, and 2,463, 0.6%, were institutionalized. There were 153,791 households, out of which 44,762, 29.1%, had children under the age of 18 living in them, 50,797, 33.0%, were opposite-sex married couples living together, 24,122, 15.7%, had a female householder with no husband present, 8,799, 5.7%, had a male householder with no wife present. There were 11,289, 7.3%, unmarried opposite-sex partnerships, and 3,442, 2.2%, same-sex married couples or partnerships. 52,103 households, 33.9%, were made up of individuals, and 13,778, 9.0%, had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.49. There were 83,718 families, 54.4% of all households. The average family size was 3.27. The population was spread out with 83,120 people, 21.3%, under the age of 18, 36,272 people, 9.3%, aged 18 to 24, 129,139 people, 33.1%, aged 25 to 44, 98,634 people, 25.2%, aged 45 to 64, and 43,559 people, 11.1%, who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 36.2 years. For every 100 females, there were 94.2 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 91.8 males. There were 169,710 housing units at an average density of 2,175.7 per square mile, 840.0/km2, of which 153,791 were occupied, of which 63,142, 41.1%, were owner-occupied, and 90,649, 58.9%, were occupied by renters. The homeowner vacancy rate was 3.0%, the rental vacancy rate was 8.5%. 166,662 people, 42.7% of the population, lived in owner-occupied housing units, and 215,924 people, 55.3%, lived in rental housing units. Shifting of cultures. Oakland is one of the most ethnically diverse major cities in the country. Oakland was ranked the fourth most diverse city in the United States, with an overall diversity score of 91.4. The city's formerly most populous ethnic group, whites, declined from 95.3% in 1940 to 32.5% by 1990, due to a combination of factors, such as racial redlining and suburbanization. Oakland became a destination for African Americans in the Great Migration during and after World War II as they gained high-paying jobs in the defense industry. Blacks have formed a plurality in Oakland for many years, peaking in 1980 at about 47% of the population. Oakland's black population decreased by nearly 25% between 2000 and 2010. The city's demographics have changed due to a combination of rising housing prices associated with gentrification and with blacks relocating to better housing in Bay Area suburbs or moving to the southern United States in a reverse migration, where conditions are considered to have improved. This trends and cultural shifts have led to a decline among some of Oakland's long-standing black institutions, such as churches, businesses, and nightclubs, which had developed during the growing years of the 1950s through 1970. In the 2010 census, African Americans maintained their status as Oakland's single largest ethnic group, with 27% of the population, followed by non-Hispanic whites at 25.9%, and Hispanics of any race at 25.4%. Ethnic Asians constitute 17%, followed by smaller minority groups. Many immigrants have settled in the city. Immigrants and others have marched by the thousands down Oakland's International Boulevard in support of legal reforms benefiting undocumented immigrants. An analysis by the Urban Institute of U.S. Census 2000 numbers showed Oakland had the third highest concentration of gays and lesbians among the 50 largest U.S. cities, behind San Francisco and Seattle. Census data showed that among incorporated places that have at least 500 female couples, Oakland had the nation's largest proportion. In the 2000 census, 2,650 lesbian couples identified as such in Oakland. 1 in every 41 Oakland couples identified as a same-sex female partnership. Economy. Oakland is a major West Coast port, and the fifth busiest in the United States by cargo volume. The Port of Oakland handles 99% of all containerized goods moving through Northern California, representing $41 billion worth of international trade. There are nearly 200,000 jobs related to marine cargo transport in the Oakland area. These jobs range from minimum wage hourly positions to transportation storage and distribution managers who earn an annual average salary of $91,520. The Port of Oakland was an early innovator/pioneer in the technologies of intermodal containerized shipping. The city is also home to several major corporations including Kaiser Permanente, Clorox, and Dreyer's Ice Cream, and retailer Cost Plus World Markets. Tech companies such as ASK.com and Pandora Radio are in Oakland, and in recent years many startup high-tech and green energy companies have found a home in the downtown neighborhoods of Uptown, City Center, Jack London Square and Lake Merritt Financial District. In 2014, Oakland was the fifth-ranked city for tech entrepreneurs by total venture capital investment. In 2015, Uber announced plans to build and house 3,000 employees in a new office at the site of the old Sears building, which is being redeveloped with plans to open in late 2017. As of 2013, the San Francisco-Oakland-Hayward metropolitan area has a gross domestic product, GDP, of $360.4 billion, ranking 8th among metropolitan areas in the United States. In 2014, Oakland was amongst the best cities to start a career, the highest-ranked city in California after San Francisco. Additionally, Oakland ranked 4th in cities with professional opportunities. Numerous companies in San Francisco continue to expand in or migrate over to Oakland. Oakland experienced an increase of both its population and of land values in the early to mid-first decade of the 21st century. The 10K Plan, which began during former Mayor Elihu Harris's administration, and intensified during former Mayor Jerry Brown's administration, resulted in several thousand units of new multifamily housing and development. Top employers. As of 2017, the top employers in the city were tourism. In 2013, over 2.5 million people visited.